Here are 5 distinct chicken recipes to spice up your meal planning. Customize recipes to your own taste. 1. Cajun Chicken Alfredo. Season chicken breast strips with Cajun seasoning and pan-sear until golden brown. In a separate pot, prepare Alfredo sauce with heavy cream, butter, garlic, and Parmesan cheese. Cook fettuccine pasta until al dente. Toss the cooked pasta with the Alfredo sauce and top with the Cajun chicken strips. Garnish with chopped parsley and grated Parmesan cheese. 2. Hawaiian Teriyaki Chicken Pineapple Bowls. Marinate chicken thighs in teriyaki sauce, garlic, and ginger for at least 30 minutes. Grill the chicken until cooked through and caramelized. Cut a fresh pineapple in half lengthwise and hollow out each half to create bowls. Chop the grilled teriyaki chicken and fill the pineapple bowls. Add cooked rice, sliced bell peppers, and diced pineapple. Drizzle with extra teriyaki sauce and sprinkle with sesame seeds. 3. Lemon herb chicken and vegetable skillet. Season chicken breasts with salt, pepper, lemon zest, and fresh chopped herbs like thyme and rosemary. In a large skillet, sear the chicken until golden brown on both sides. Remove chicken and set aside. In the same skillet, sauté a mix of sliced bell peppers, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes until tender. Return the chicken to the skillet and finish cooking until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Serve hot with crusty bread. 4. Mango salsa chicken tacos. Grill or bake chicken breasts seasoned with chili powder, cumin, and garlic powder until fully cooked. Meanwhile, prepare a fresh mango salsa by combining diced mango, red onion, jalapeno, cilantro, lime juice, and salt. Slice the cooked chicken and assemble it in soft tortillas with the mango salsa, shredded lettuce, and a dollop of sour cream. Serve with lime wedges for squeezing. And 5. Thai peanut chicken stir-fry. Slice chicken breast into thin strips and stir-fry in a wok with sesame oil until cooked through. Add sliced bell peppers, snap peas, and shredded carrots to the wok and cook until crisp tender. Pour in a mixture of peanut butter, soy sauce, lime juice, brown sugar, and ginger. Toss to coat everything evenly and cook until heated through. Serve over cooked rice and garnish with chopped peanuts and fresh cilantro. If you enjoyed this video, please like and follow.